Okay, to add this extra parameters to make it more generic, let's create some folders. One will be a skeleton, maybe a leg skeleton, and let's call it actually there will be one big folder called setup, and then we're gonna have a one under which will be simple, which that will be a leg skeleton. Then we'll have leg IK controls, and then we're gonna have foot IK controls, and the last folder will be for settings, and we're gonna go back to it. So all of those we're gonna select and we'll turn it simple, and let's apply. So now we're gonna have a setup here and controls. Perfect. So the leg skeleton, that will be pretty easy. We'll grab our leg here and we'll just make the window a little bit smaller, and we'll go here just by dragging and dropping our name of our joints. Cool. Then leg IK controls will do the same. Perfect. Perfect. And for let's just be sure that there is also and the foot IK controls. So the foot IK controls is these ones here. Cool. Actually, the foot IK controls is these ones here. And there's one tiny problem. We can't just go and grab this one here. There is a tiny bug right now which prevent us. Also, we need to link all of those parameters soon. We will do that. We'll get back to it. Okay, these ones are set. So this is our leg key controls. That's perfect. And let's just do here. Let's create the groups for all of these guys. Okay, we're gonna do that now. So let's create a string parameter here, foot IK controls, and let's call it in CTRL. Let's call it out CTRL. Oh, that's a label. Sorry. In CTRL. So that will be inside. Out CTRL. And he lets me speed up the video. Cool. So now you have all of those attributes. Hit apply, and let's have a look. How does it look right now? Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And now we're gonna put the names here. So let me just accept it, and we'll just copy the names. So the inside, outside, a heel one, a ball, it's on the bottom here, and a toe tip. Now we'll create the groups. Well, we'll create a groups expression actually to select a proper joints. And the first group name will be foot in, and the expression will be at name equals, actually we need to give it quote HS in ctrl. So by doing this, you're going to be able to put the names automatically into footer. I'll show it to you in a second. And I typed something wrong. Of course I did, because it's like these quotations at the end. Fantastic. And now if you go to the repos, and we just did the foot in, unfortunately, because of the bug right now, it's not gonna show up here, the group. I think if you're gonna press the key here and delete the channels, is it gonna show up? No. You just need to go and type here foot in. When you do that, believe it or not, it's actually gonna work. So no, it doesn't work. Let's have a look, because we just need to change it to points. And now if you do site, no, it still doesn't work. Okay, you just need to retype the name of the group. That's it. Cool. So that's it. It's working. So let's create the groups for all of them. Actually, I have 5 of them in total. So I'll speed up the video for you. Okay, so we have all the groups created, and you can see on the screen all the expressions needed. And now if we go here, we're just gonna replace it. So that's gonna be foot out. Here will be a heel, not the he, but heel. That's correct. How it's called? Yeah, right, correct. Heel. Then we have a ball, and here we have a tip twist, and apparently there's some empty groups found. Let's see which one doesn't work. The ball roll doesn't work, toe swing doesn't work, heel roll, and the side one. Okay, let's have a look at our groups. Oh, the ball doesn't have it, tip twist doesn't have it. And let's see where's the nip issues. Did we put the naming right? We did, and it's a ball, tip twist, heel. Okay, so oh, of course it's not a heel sitter at all, it's just a heel. Here you go. And the toe tip, it's a tip twist. It's a tip twist. And the ball, it's ball. Cool. So now if we go to IK controls, yes, the ball works as it was working, toe swings works as it was working, a heel works, and the side. The reason why we needed to do it as a group expression is that you can't just go here and type at name equals CHS something something something. The reason why is a bug currently at this version, which I've been recording the videos, that doesn't evaluate it properly. So the best way as a workaround, I think, is to do a group expression here. And yeah, that's it. So we have that set it up. We're basically having everything ready almost. And in the next video, we're just gonna add some setup settings. Sorry, the settings for like defining which axis to look at and etc.